Pros. 2. The art of whitewashing. It was Saturday, a holiday. There was no school and no homework to do. Tom was very happy. But just then, Aunt Polly called him and said,
"Look here, Tom. Today you're not going out to play. I want you to whitewash this whole fence. Take this bucket of whitewash and this brush and set to work immediately."
Tom looked at the fence and then at the bucket. Such a big fence and such a lot of whitewash. Tom felt very sad. Suddenly, a brilliant idea came to his mind. He took up his brush and started the work silently. Soon, he saw Ben coming that way. Ben had a nice red apple in his hand. Tom's mouth watered, but he continued to whitewash. Ben wanted to make fun of Tom. He walked up to him and said,
"Hello, Tom. What is this? Work even on a holiday?"
Work? What do you call work?
Why isn't that work?
Well, maybe it is, maybe it is not. All I know is that it delights Tom Sawyer.
Tom carefully swept his brush like an artist. Then he stepped back and looked at the painting. He added a touch here and a touch there. Ben watched all this. He was getting more and more interested.
Tom, may I whitewash a little?
No. Aunt Polly is very particular about this fence. Everybody cannot pin the wall the right way.
Is that so? Tom, I will be very careful. Please let me try just a little.
Ben, I don't mind, but you don't know Aunt Polly. She will kill me. She wants me and me alone to do it.
I will be careful, Tom. Please let me try. I will give you half my apple.
No, Ben. I am afraid.
Tom, I will give you the whole apple.
Tom gave Ben the brush and took his apple. Ben set to work in the hot sun. Tom sat down happily in the shade of a tree and ate the apple.
Ben, look at the part of the fence. You haven't done it right, Lou. Do it again or Aunt Polly will be angry.
Poor Ben sweated in the sun for a long time. When Ben was tired, Tom allowed Billy to whitewash. Billy gave a kite to Tom. When Billy was tired, Johnny got his turn for a pair of marbles. Thus, every boy paid a price to get a chance to whitewash the family. They came to laugh at Tom, but Tom made them worry. By afternoon, the whitewash was over. They whitewashed the fence 3 times. Tom earned a number of playthings. He got 12 marbles, a tin soldier, a dog collar, the handle of a knife, and a big key without a lock. At last, when the whitewash was over, Tom proudly went inside the house and said,
Aunt Polly, may I go out to play now?
How much whitewashing have you done?
All of it. I finished the whitewash.
What? Finished? Let me see. What are they?
Aunt Polly went out. She was really surprised. The whole fence was nicely whitewashed.
Well, Tom, your work is excellent. Now you can go and play. Come back home.
Aunt Polly took out the best apple from the basket and gave it to Tom.